Hey guys, Rusty here. Guess what? You failed noise history. You know? You think you know anything about noise, harsh noise, power electronics, industrial? No, you failed F on the noise history test. You failed fucking everything about it. You don't know a single thing about the history of noise, who joined the noise organization, who you don't know anything about any of the bands at all. Here. Do you wanna know about noise history? Listen to this album. This is a great one. Ever heard of this? This is amazing noise. Do you like noise? Ever heard of Peter Sotos? Have you failed noise history? Do you know anything about noise? You know anything about noise? I don't think so. You failed all those tests that I gave you.